अभी आ गई हमारी कॉल।
How are you, students? Can you hear me? हलीमा and
Yes.
अलीशा, आवाज आ रही है?
यस मिस।
ठीक है।
यस।
अब आपने बीच में उसके बात नहीं करनी है, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना है। लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट and very interested topic we have today. Factorization of quadratic equation. Okay. Is the process. It is the process of expressing an algebraic expression as a product of two or more algebraic expressions. Factorization is the reverse of expansion. Let's suppose we have equation this x square plus 7x plus 10. Now we have given expression is this. ये हमारे पास question है. Are you getting my point, Halima and Alicia?
यस मिस।
Beta, we have question x square plus 7x plus 10. And this is, we will solve it by Middleton break method or factorization method. Okay. In this, for this, we first term multiplied by last term, like this. Listen to me. Wait. Yes. First term will be multiplied by last term. Okay. As you can see, the step number 1, multiply first term with the last term. 1x square dot represent multiply sign. 1 times are 10, 10x square. Is that clear? यहाँ तक clear है? Hello, Alicia and Halima. Hello.
Teacher, 1x multiplied.
यस मिस।
1x square, when there is no number, its coefficient is 1. It's understood. 1x square multiplied by 10, it becomes 10x square. Now, second step we have, find the factor of 10. And means 10. In which table 10, in which number 10, which are the factors of 10? 10 किस किस टेबल में आता है? अब आपको वो फाइंड आउट करना है. Means 2 5s are 10,
10.
okay, and 10 1s are 10.
10.
यहाँ पर दो फैक्टर्स हैं. We have two factor, 2 5s are 10 and 10 1s are 10. Is there any confusion? यहाँ तक clear है? Students? Okay. Next step we have addition or subtraction. What? Addition or subtraction. Add the two numbers. जो न multiply कराए हैं उनको the factors.
Yes.
यस मिस।
The numbers which are multiplying itself, please add. 2 plus 5 become 2x plus 5x become 7x. And 10x plus 1x become 11x. So 7x. ये देखिए middle term. Middle term we have. Yes. Can you hear me? Salima and Alicia.
इधर का बात नहीं एक ही लाइन.
Students.
एक ही. अरे उधर नहीं हम लोग चले.
जी बेटा, आवाज आ रही है?
Yes miss.
I am saying to you.
यस मिस।
हमें ये मिडिल टर्म सॉल्व करनी होती है. मिडिल व्हाई वी कॉल मिडिल टर्म ब्रेक मेथड? बिकॉज सॉल्व करनी होती है मिडिल. हाँ जी. 2x plus 5x is equal to.
मेरे साहब की आवाज बहुत ज्यादा अटक रही है. मेरे साहब की आवाज बहुत ज्यादा अटक रही है.
Okay, wait. Okay, now अब आ रही है आवाज? हेलो जी स्टूडेंट्स, आवाज आ रही है? Can you hear me?
यस मिस।
2x plus 5x is equal to 7x and 10x plus 1x is equal to 11x. Okay. Now, which number, first term you can see that 2x plus 5x is equal to 7x. अब हम क्या करेंगे? क्वेश्चन में here you can see in the space of instead of 7x, beta don't need to write it. We will send the video through on the WhatsApp. Okay, don't need to worry about it. ये आप लोग हेलो Okay. Hello. Yes, Alicia, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay, students. अब आप क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर? Now we have 2x plus 5x is equal to 7x. अब हम इसकी जगह पर 2x ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन की जगह पर हम लोग लिखेंगे ये वाला सवाल. इंस्टेड ऑफ 7x हम इसकी जगह पर ये फैक्टर्स लिखेंगे, राइट? जस्ट लाइक वी हैव क्वेश्चन. हमारे पास क्वेश्चन ये है x square plus 7x plus 10. ओके, हमारे पास क्वेश्चन ये था. वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन. एंड नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ क्वेश्चन, अब यहाँ पे इंस्टेड ऑफ मिडिल टर्म ब्रेक इनटू द फैक्टर्स 2x plus 5x. अच्छा, एक और बात याद रखिएगा. व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 5s are 10, आंसर 10 आना चाहिए. एंड व्हेन वी ऐड द नंबर्स दो वी गेट 2x plus 5x is equal to 7x. 7x की जगह पर अब हम क्या रख रहे हैं? 2x plus 5x. First term and last term we will write as it is, and in the middle term we will write 2x plus 5x is equal to 7x. Okay. Now, are you getting my point, Alicia? Students, समझ आ रहा
Yes,
है
miss.
आपको? Okay. Now this is the time to take out the common. Make a factor of this. Make a pair like this. Okay. Pair means it's in the group. There are 4 terms. Here you can see. Okay. Now x square plus 5x and 2x plus 10. Okay class. Here. अब यहाँ पे बताइए which variables are common, which term is present on both sides. दोनों तरफ कौन सी टर्म यहाँ पर नजर आ रही है? Can you see x square plus 5x, 2x plus 10? X square plus 5x. X square means, student, listen to me very carefully. X square means we have 2x, like x dot x. Okay, so that's mean x is x dot x plus 5. This is the way in which we can take out the common x. अब मुझे इसमें से बताइए कॉमन क्या है और है दोनों तरफ. x square means 2x. We have xx plus 5x. xx plus 5x we have. Okay, listen to me class. So that's mean we have a wait. Okay, xx we have x is on the both side. x दोनों तरफ है तो हमने एक दफा x बाहर लिख दिया and put the bracket. 2x में से एक x बाहर आ गया तो inside we have 1x. Alicia, are you getting my point or not?
Yes, miss.
यहाँ पर inside पे कितने x आ गए? 2 plus 5. अब x तो हमने बाहर कॉमन ले लिया तो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? Only 5 we will write and then plus. अब यहाँ पर कॉमन क्या है? Common we will take that number which is repeating or the same. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 2 is common here. Okay, 2 is common here. So we write the 2 and inside the bracket we have x plus 5. Okay, and the question is you will get the same bracket x plus 5 and outside x plus 2. Okay, let's solve another question. हम दूसरा सवाल करते हैं ताकि आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो. We have a question. Read out the question, Alicia. What is the question? Yes, Alicia. B square b square plus 8b plus 15. First of all, multiply. Hello, Alisha, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Hanji. First of all, multiply 1b square with the 15. 1b square with the 15. Like 1 multiply by 15. Answer will be 15 ones are
15.
excellent. Make a factor. Factor means in which the 15 comes. What should be the what are the factors of 15? कौन-कौन से टेबल में आता है 15? Yes, class. 3 5s are
15.
and 5 3s are 15,
15.
comma and other factors 15 1s are
15.
15.
15.
Clear है यहाँ तक? Okay.
Yes, miss.
Middle term we have 8b. When you add the numbers, when you add these factors, answer should be the middle term. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8. 3 plus, 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Are you getting my point? First, okay, listen to me carefully. I am repeating. Listen to me carefully. Wait. Okay. Can you see the lecture on the screen, students?
Yes.
Okay. Now, first, again, I'm repeating the question. 1 multiplied by 15. 15 ones are 15.
15.
Okay. And the factors of 15, in which the 15 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. And 15 ones are 15. Now add these numbers. Add these numbers. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay. And 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Which term we have middle in the middle? हमारे पास middle term कौन सी है? 8 और 16.
Mute.
8 is in the middle. 16 is in the middle.
Morning, I'm mute render.
Yes, student, tell me. मिडिल में कौन सी वाली हमारे पास टर्म है? 8 और 16. आंसर मी, अलीशा, हलीमा.
8 और 16.
बेटा मिडिल में हमारे पास which term we have in the middle?
Yes, miss.
8. So we will write. अच्छा, instead of write, okay.
8.
Okay, listen to me, class. B square. Okay, listen to me. We write B square as it is. B square as it is. It's a printing form. And instead of 8b, I write 3b. Wait. I write 3. Wait. 3b plus, which number will I write here? 3b plus 5b and plus 15. समझ आया? अलीशा? हलीमा?
Yes, miss.
बेटा ये समझ आया? What did I do here? Instead
Yes,
of
miss.
8, I write the factors 3b plus 5b. Okay, now take a common. Take a common. In there are 4 terms we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In first 2 terms, first make a group. Here is a group 1, and here we have group 1. Okay. Here which term is in first bracket? Which terms are common? Which term is common? B square means B we have 2 times. Yes. Yes, student. Alicia, tell me, in first bracket, which term I will take as a common? Common क्या आएगा first bracket में? Alicia, answer me. I am
Yes.
waiting. बेटा इधर से बताएं मुझे. This is first bracket and this is second bracket. take common क्या है इनमें? What is the same? It's a B common.
Miss F.
बेटा it's a B. B is common ना? B is on the both sides.
Yes, miss.
तो one time B common है. अब यहाँ पर कितना B we have? 1B only plus common means take out outside 3. Is there any confusion? This is the way which you can take out common. Okay. In second bracket, which number is common? Which number is
F,
common?
miss.
Yes, Alicia.
F, B.
Sorry, what are you saying? 5 is common ना? Like
Yes, miss.
देखें इस तरह से 5 1 5 plus and 5 3 15.
50.
Okay, here you can see that we have 3 common brackets. So अब मैं यहाँ पर लिखूंगी. So here I write first bracket we have B common and inside the bracket we got B plus 3 and in second bracket we have 5 B plus 3. Okay, students, are you getting my point? Okay, when you have a 2 brackets same, that's mean middle term break method is successful. Write B plus 3 once and outside the bracket value comes also in a bracket B plus 5. Here is your answer. B plus 3 one time and outside the term B plus 5 is also one time. Alicia, is there any confusion in this question?
Yes, miss.
Yes. क्या confusion?
No, miss.
Clear हो गया?
Yes, miss.
आगे move करें. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now listen to me. Next question we have. Alicia, read the question, please. Student, read the question. Yes. M square minus 20m minus 21. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. First, what should we do? क्या करते हैं हम लोग पहले?
M2.
First, M means 1 multiplied by, here is no, when the number is, when there is no number, that's mean it is understood. We have 1. कौन सा नंबर होता है जब यहाँ पे कोई नंबर नहीं होता तो क्या होता है हमारे पास? 1. 121. 1 multiplied by 21. Answer will be 21 ones are 20.
21.
21. Now step number 2. Make our factors. Factors of 21 we have. Okay. Tell me the factors of 21. 21 किस table में आता है? In which numbers 21 comes? Yes. 3 sevens are.
3 के टेबल में
3 sevens are.
21.
And
21.
and 7 threes are. And 21 ones are they all equal? Yes. ठीक है? और these are the fractions, sorry, factors. Okay. Now add and subtract. Okay, student, in this case we have a minus sign, so we will add and subtract both. When we have a middle term with the minus sign, we will subtract also. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, comma 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, comma, because why I am subtracting, because in the middle term we have minus sign, so at a time I am adding and subtracting also the numbers. 21 plus 1 is equal to 22 and 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. Okay, Alicia, which step follow the 20, which step follow the middle term, which is suitable for the middle term break, middle term. ये बताइए मिडिल टर्म की जगह पे हम कौन सा सुटेबल वैल्यू पुट करेंगे इसकी जगह पर? इज दिस टर्म, इज दिस टर्म, इज दिस टर्म और दिस, बताइए कौन सी टर्म हम पुट करेंगे? यस अलीशा, हेलो,
यस मिस।
बेटा बताइए कौन सा नंबर पुट करेंगे हम, टर्म पुट करेंगे इसमें?
1।
नो, ये वाली लास्ट वाली, कैन यू सी द लास्ट टर्म?
20।
yes, okay, step number 3, write first term as it is, and then in the middle term we have, okay, minus sign ना, तो माइनस हम बड़े वाले के साथ लगाएंगे, लिखेंगे here because of minus have the negative number. बड़े के साथ जो नंबर होगा वो हम we will write it with the minus 21m plus 1m and minus last term and first term. ये देखिए last term, first term and last term we will write it as it is. Is that clear, Alicia?
यस मिस।
Is there any confusion? You can ask with me. अगर समझ नहीं आ रहा तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. Okay, Alicia, which, okay, now again we have 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a group of 2 terms, 1, 2 and 1, 2. In this term, which term is common? कौन सी term common आ रही है? जल्दी से बताइए. In first term we have m dot m minus 21m, okay, plus in second bracket we have 1m minus 21. In first bracket, tell me which numbers or which terms are common. कौन से कॉमन टर्म आ रही है इन दोनों में से? जल्दी से बताइए. Yes, student. Yes, Alicia. Which term is common? Hello. In
Yes,
first
ma'am.
term, which term is common? Alicia.
यस मिस।
बेटा बताइए ना कौन सी टर्म कॉमन आ रही है इनमें से? कॉमन मीन सेम कौन सी आ रही है? इन फर्स्ट
मिस 21।
नो बेटा, इनमें से
M।
m, वेरी गुड. m is present on both side. Now अब
Yes.
हमने एक m बाहर, we write m outside and inside we have only m minus 21. Okay, Alicia, ये देखिए m we will write once outside from the bracket and inside we have m minus 21. Okay, plus, okay, in second bracket we have which term we have common? Common or non common? क्या कुछ common है यहाँ पर या नहीं है? Can you see the same terms or numbers or variables? Yes or no? No. Answer is
No.
because here
No.
m with 21 has no यहाँ पे कुछ भी common नहीं है. When we don't have no common term, then we will take a 1 as a common. हम इसके अंदर फिर 1 common लेते हैं when we don't have any common terms. m minus 21. Is there any confusion? Now we have got again same
No, miss.
bracket. Now we got again same bracket and then write m minus 21 and outside, and in second bracket, write the outer terms. Outer terms we have m plus 1. Is there any confusion, Alicia? जी बेटा, confusion? Clear or not? Okay. Let's solve another question. We have question